gonna be out here in Havasu for a couple days, so we'll be with these guys, a couple jet skis, a wakeboard boat. But check it out, it's beautiful out here. Yesterday it was storming like crazy, so we didn't film too much. Just kind of hung out in the channel, but today is just beautiful. It was a glassy water till we got out here and ruined it. I got a little video of us going around the ramp, little maneuverability. I know you guys were asking about that, so I just kind of picked through all the people and get right to the dock and pick Beth up. So check that out too, right here. On the California side of Lake Havasu at the casino. I guess it's Havasu Landing. You can take a ferry from Havasu over here. So we just cut over here real quick to check it out. They're building a new one, a bigger one, just a little bit down the beach. But we've been here for a week. It's been pretty good. We had a couple days that were pretty rainy and windy. Last night we were on the my wife just won some money and she called me, so that's good. That was worth the trip over here. But yeah, we've had a week out here. A couple days were, like I said, they were windy and rainy, but a couple days have been beautiful. So it's definitely a good trip out here. The boat, we've ran it pretty good. I've probably put 5-6 hours on it and have had no problems with it. So that's always a good thing. This is our last day out here. Unfortunately, we got to go home. But it's been a really good week out here. Had a lot of cool people with us. So some friends had some condos out here, so we stayed in condos for a week. It's been pretty nice. I recommend it. So we'll probably start coming out to Havasu a little more. Unfortunately, the season's just about over. We might get 1 or 2 more trips out here. Then I'll have to figure out something to do to keep you guys interested, because we'll be doing our off-road stuff. But there's I'll find some places, some boat shops, and we'll go check that out, and I'll let you guys know how the service, however I end up servicing it here or taking it home, or eventually I'm going to start doing it myself. But I'm going to keep my warranty good, so I'll probably have somebody service it here. So don't forget to check out my F11 link in the bottom. So we've been using this pretty steady, and I'm not pushing this just because it's a product that we get a little piece of when you buy it, but I actually use this on everything now. I use it in my upholstery, I use it everywhere, so I really do like it. I switched to it for my side-by-side, and I use it on my car especially. So if you want something that's just easy to use, that you don't use a ton of it, check out F11. It's in the link down below. Thanks, guys. You can see how easy that is. I mean, I'm not buffing on it. I just sprayed it on, and that's glassy. Check it out. Thanks, guys.